Hello scholars, hope you're having a great morning. So we're going to get started with our lesson. First we're going to do our poem that we did the other day. And it's, remember, an echo poem, so you'll repeat after me. Wandering through the zoo. We went wandering through the zoo to find some fascinating birds. My friend said, look, that bird's colors are rich. The colors are vibrant, I said to my friend. My friend said, look, that bird's feet are strong. The feet are mighty, I said to my friend. My friend said, look, that bird's feathers are light. The feathers are fluffy, I said to my friend. My friend said, look, that bird's beak is skinny. The beak is scrawny, I said to my friend. We went wandering through the zoo and found some enchanting little birds. Excellent job repeating. And as you remember, yesterday we had some words underlined in our blue. What type of words did we find the other day? Right, they're adjectives, they're describing words, so they're giving us more information about our nouns. So we had the words fascinating, rich, vibrant, strong, mighty, light, fluffy, skinny, scrawny, enchanting, and little. All of those words are adjectives. They're giving us a little better idea of how something looks. And we also had rich and vibrant. So rich was our regular adjective and vibrant was our stronger one. And then we had strong and mighty. Strong was a simple adjective, but mighty had more strength. It gives more meaning. Then we had light and fluffy. Light was our regular adjective, and fluffy gave a little bit more meaning. So again, when we're working with our adjectives, we're trying to use ones that have more strength. Now for today, we're coming to the end of our first unit of birds. And so your job today, you'll have to complete a final draft of one of the birds that we have drawn so far. So you're going to go look back at your work that you've submitted so far. So our first bird that we did was the green bee eater. We then did the spotted woodpecker, the mallard duck, the peacock, and a bald eagle. So your job is now to go back to think about which one of those do you want to do your final draft on. So you're thinking which one can you make better and do your best. Once you decide which bird you want to draw, you'll then do your final drawing. And when you're doing your drawing, just like we've been doing, you'll need to label all the parts of the bird. So you'll need to label the wing, the feathers, the wings, the feet, and the beak. So when you finish your drawing, make sure you are labeling your picture and write the name of the bird. And as you are doing your final drawing, I want you to think about what are some changes you can make to make this one better than the first time you drew the bird. And make sure you're doing your quality work. So we're going to score to see, is this one better? Did you put your best work into this? So maybe you need to draw something a little different. Maybe you need to fix how the wings were, or the beak, or the feet. And make sure it's your best try. So again, all you're doing today is going through all the birds that we've drawn so far, picking out which one you want to do for your final drawing. Draw it, make sure you put the name, and then label the parts.